quite a bit of quarter panel damage. Anytime you see that, you just don't know what you're gonna find. So everything is looking very good. I have a Kia here. This one has quite a bit of quarter panel damage all throughout this area, and it might be hard to see, but the wheelhouse is just slightly folded right here, and it's rolled in right here as well. So it shouldn't be too bad of a repair, except for I don't know what I'm going to get into because there's prior bodywork in here. Anytime you see that, you just don't know what you're going to find. It's not overly thick, at least from what I can see right here, but you just never know what kind of surprises you're going to get into. But I will find out once I start grinding into it. Now it looks like the mounting point at the bottom of this bumper bracket, I must have out just slightly too far because the bumper's wanting to sit out right here. So I'll lift this cover back off and I'll have to drive that in just a hair. So I just about have this one all worked out. Metal work is looking good. Door is nice and flush right here, and my bumper cover fits good. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift my bumper cover back off and do my fill work on the quarter panel and that little spot on the rear door. I'm gonna put one more thin coat just over this top section above the body line. It's looking very nice. There was just a couple little spots right in here I wanted to fix. So I went ahead and fit this bumper up one more time just to make sure everything was sitting properly. So everything is looking very good. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this one down off the frame rack. And then I have to lift off this slider door just to finish out this little spot inside the jamb. And then this one will be ready to get primed up.